Any products in my hair since Monday night, you know, because I've been busy. I had a lot of things going on this week, so I really haven't put, you know, nothing in my hair since Monday night, and today is Thursday. So I went Tuesday, Wednesday, and now today's Thursday. I didn't put nothing in my hair. I'm gonna add some oil, and then I'm gonna get a, you know, good brush session for you guys. But before that, you know, let me explain what oil is. Oh, and also, you guys, I have been brushing. I just haven't put no products in my hair, so don't think I was slacking on brushing. When it comes down to oils are very important. Me personally, like, I feel like oils is a little bit better than moisturizers and butters. Oils don't cake up in your hair. It's cheaper, and it also lasts longer. Like, you could put a oil in your hair and it'll last 3-4 days. You could put a moisturizer in here and it'll last a day or two. Oils are good for moisturizing your hair and, you know, to seal in that moisture, to lock it in. There's a lot of good oils out there. I like to use coconut oil. I like to use tea tree oil. And I also rock with this. You know, I rock with PB products. This the legendary oil. I like to rock with these 3 oils. I mean, and there are, you know, a lot of oils out there, tons of oils. I'm gonna get into a few more. Also, too, you guys, there's a lot of, you know, healthy benefits with oil when it comes to your hair. It helps, you know, make it curly. It helps moisturize it, fights dandruff. It's good for your scalp. You know, oils also and reduce frizz. You know, there's a whole bunch of, you know, healthy oils out there, and there's a whole bunch of reasons why oils is, you know, just good for your hair and your skin. When you're using products and you want to do your research on your products and see what you're really putting into your hair, and that just goes for anything that you're putting in your body or that you're using on your skin or your hair or anything. You just don't want to use it without knowing what's in it. So yeah, I just use a lot of natural oils. I've been using oils more than moisturizers and butters, but I still use my moisturizers and butters here and there. But 9 times out of 10, I'm using oils. And I think I said enough about oils, so I'm gonna use these 2 today. I'm gonna use coconut oil and I'm gonna use tea tree oil. So the coconut oil, it says here that, you know, it moisturizes hair and skin, it replenishes important hair lipids, it helps reduce dry skin and scalp. And then you got your tea tree oil, skin and scalp treatment, dry, itchy scalp, has vitamin E, has aloe vera, and it fights fungus. So this is also a good oil. So I'm gonna mix these 2, and then I'm gonna get a nice session. So if you got a brush near you, you know, you gotta pick that shit up and brush with me. Let's go. thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. And as always, you guys, if you like this durag or any other durag you see me use in my videos, the link will be in the description. Also, along with my coupon code Elite Eli for 15% off. The website also has other stuff besides durags. They got bonnets, crown brushes. They got regular brushes, curved brushes. You got your wash brush for, you know, your detangler brush or your wash brush when you're washing your hair. You also got a water bottle. They got spray bottles. So when you're doing the washing style, your hair gets dry. They have the spray bottles. They have a whole bunch of other products besides durags, so y'all can go check them out if you want. And remember, I'll be doing a giveaway at 1,000 subscribers. We're almost there, so you guys can keep subscribing. Hit that notification bell so you can, so you guys won't miss the giveaway or miss any other updates. And, as always, you guys stay wavy.